Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to bold, italics and underline text in Google Docs. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more informative contents like this. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in Google Docs. Now I'll write one text over here, keep grinding. You can see this is my text over here, keep grinding. Now first to bold this text, first of all select this all and over here you can see here B. That means bold. You can just click on this and you can see our text is bold. Also we can use keyboard shortcut as Ctrl+B. You can see this text is bold. To unbold again press Ctrl+B. So in this way we can bold text. Now for italics you can see over here I, that means italic. Just click over here and you can see our text is in italics. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+I and you can just make italics and back to normal. So in this way we can make our text italics. Now to underline over here you can see U. That means underline. Just click on this and you can see our text is underlined. Also we can use keyboard shortcut as Ctrl+U and you can see the underline is gone. Again if I press Ctrl+U, you can see here is underline. So in this way we can use bold, italics and underline in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.